To give you a new tutorial. But before I do, first I want to thank all of my new subscribers that have joined us this month. I want you to know I really appreciate this channel along to others, and if you haven't subscribed to notifications, make sure you do that too so that you'll know when I put out some new videos. Now, with that being said, let's get into our first line dance demo for today. Alrighty, walkthrough for Jerusalema, the cruise ship favorite line dance. All right, I'm going to do a side profile, and then I'll do a front profile, and then I'll do a back profile. That way you can see it from all three angles. We start on the left. We have 4 taps on the left, 4 taps on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got that? Easy enough. 4 taps on your left, 4 taps on your right. Now we're going to switch left, right. So check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Next move, we're going to go forward after we do the switch. So I'm going to start from the top and add on so you can see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I'm actually turning a quarter turn this way. That would be to my right. To my left. There we go. All right. As I move forward. So that walking forward turn again after I do switch, 1. And now I don't count from 1 because then the count will screw you up. So switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, tap. That is your cadence. That's your beat. That's your moves. I'm going to show you that again. Starting with the left, starting from the switch. Switch. 5, 6, 7, 8, tap. Okay? After your tap, we're going to move to the left or walk to the left. 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay? 1, 2, 3, tap. Believe it or not, that's the whole dance. Now I'm going to turn to the back so you can follow my feet, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 2, 3, 4. From the top, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch, 2, 3, 4. Forward, 6, 7, 8. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the walkthrough for Jerusalem. Now, I'll give you a demo with some music because the beat is actually a little faster. So a key here is you want to start saying what the moves are as you do them. The cadence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 6, 7, 8. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 2, 3, 4. Start all over again. All right? Let me get the music and give you a quick demo. Jerusalema, I'm not perfect, came from Jerusalem, I see Jerusalem.